Keep your happiness private. The evil ear is real. Some other people, they don't want to see you happy. They love to see you crying or your things are not going well in life. So something is excites you. Sometimes it's better to keep quiet, not telling people. Because the way you are telling people, those people, they are jealous. Maybe you are doing something, you are going to school. Sometimes it's better to talk, maybe that thing is being done. So sometimes, guys, don't tell people, especially your child is going to school, maybe doing well. Sometimes it's better to keep quiet because it's not everyone being happy for you. You are doing good things in life. Some of the people, that's why you saw some of the people, they are being witchcraft, guys, because even they know that you are building a house. Other people, they are killing their family members, their family relatives, because of jealousy. Some of the people, you know that when you are finished build your house, everything, some other people, they are being dead. They don't stay in that house, but they are gone. So sometimes, guys, you can lose your life, guys. Life we are living nowadays, those people are very dangerous. You can lose your life because of people. Sometimes, guys, when you know that you grow up in that place or in that area, sometimes it's better to build in another area. There is people who don't know you, especially people who knows you, who knows your childhood, everything, and they saw you are doing well in life, their kids are not doing well in life. Sometimes, guys, they are killing you sometimes. So be careful. Don't tell people everything you are doing in your life or everything makes you happy. So be careful. That's why you saw other people, they go and build somewhere with other people. It's better because, guys, no one is being excited when you are doing good in life. Even your sister or your brother, you are in the same mother, but those people are not being excited. So be careful. Sometimes you can dead without staying in that new house you are building, because people are very dangerous, guys. People are very jealous. Other people, they can block your blessings. Maybe you are telling that person that you are doing something or a project. So sometimes other people, they can block your blessing by jealous, only jealous, or to wish you maybe those things are not going well in your project or something. It's a witchcraft. Sometimes that person doesn't use what, doesn't use the or mutu or what, but even the heart of that person says, I wish those things are not going well in her life or his life. So sometimes you have to be careful when you are telling people your things, or makes you happy things, like things makes you happy sometimes.